Hello everyone, welcome back to RTC. In today's video, I will be explaining how to fix automatic repair loop in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So if you are getting a blue screen on your computer that says automatic repair, your PC did not start correctly, then this video is for you. Be sure to watch it until the end of the video. So let's start. Here click on this advanced options. Here, click on troubleshoot. Then click on advanced options. And now click on this command prompt. Here we are going to type some commands. First we need to type sfc /scannow and hit enter on your keyboard. Perfect. Okay, wait a little, it will not take long. After finish scanning, noticed it found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. Okay, next we are going to type the next command. Here just type chkdsk // and the letter of drive where your Windows is installed. In my case, my Windows installed in C drive. So I'm going to write C: or D: if your Windows is installed in D drive. Then hit enter. This will be quick, so be patient and wait for the process to finish. That's it. Now you can close it. Just click on this continue button and your problem will be fixed. Hope you found this video helpful. Please hit subscribe button or like to keep you updated on my latest video tutorials. Thanks.